Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from Trading Winds, and this is our update for June 26th, 2024. Let's take a quick look at the markets. There really isn't much to look at here. Very quiet overall on the day. As you can see, hardly any change from yesterday or any of the days before that. It's been a quiet week so far. So the S&P down 4, NASDAQ down 24, Russell down 8. Not a big deal here at all. Not much movement on oil, gold, a little bit here down 21. Silver pretty flat. Bond yields slightly higher here, and the dollar slightly higher. Now, I want to bring to your attention something I talked about in Sunday's video, which was Amazon. We're waiting for this breakout. Well, here it is. Look at that. So all we need to do now is mark the highs here and look for a trade above it. This is exactly how I like to do this. So first of all, we have our victory signals that we follow, and then we look for breakouts out of channels. And the way we like to do this is on a breakout like this, when you get a convincing bar that closes outside of this channel, doesn't just trade outside of it, but closes outside of it, we look for follow through. And if we get that follow through, we take a half position there. And then if it comes back to retest that level, we add the other half. Now, this is what we do for our members. We teach them these techniques. That's what we're here to do. We don't run an alert service. We teach and show them exactly how to do this on their own. And for our members, what we do is we send out these types of videos like this, only they're a little more in depth every evening, and they include the trade ideas, the stuff that I like to look at. I'll give you an example of the last few from this past week. EAT, which is Brinker International, we took this buy here. And why did we take it? Well, because of the slope on that 20, the lack of overhead resistance, just the trend on the higher time frames, etc. All the criteria we look for was there. Another one was Alphabet, or you may know it as Google. Here's another one. We entered right here, and it's gone our way. Just from yesterday, we talked about Meta with our members, and we got that entry today, and it's up 252 today. And then on the flip side, because we look at both sides of the market, Paycom, here it is, following through, dropping 54 cents, and now we're in that trade. So these are the types of trade ideas that we share in those emails. Again, it's not an alert service, not a recommendation. It's what I do, what I'm looking at, and along the way, teach you. Along with that pro membership, we meet 3 times a week on Zoom live. Today's call was 2 hours long that we met on Zoom, and but we meet Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays live. We open our cameras, we look at charts, we discuss what's going on in the market, all of that. We have a great group of traders, lots of experience that you can learn from. And also included in that membership is our elite training program, which is 20 to 30 hours. I think it's closer to 30 hours of video training that you get access to. We're currently running a special 3 months for just $97. Look for the link in the email that you received with this video and take advantage of it. Our next chat is Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern. I hope to see you there, but until then, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and we'll see you on our next update. Take care.